Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have accounts and a roster. Now start. Open Teams, pick calendar, and create a class meeting. Set date, recurrence, and roles immediately. Once created, add the class channel and restrict chat or attendee permissions so the session runs smoothly. Make sure to upload your syllabus and essential files to the Class Files tab and pin the main document. This avoids searching mid-lesson. Finally, send the meeting link to students and confirm they can join. Test audio for one participant before you proceed. You begin class by opening your presentation and choosing Share Window. Enable Include System Audio if you play video clips. Once students join, ground them with objectives and use a quick poll to check readiness. For active learning, create breakout rooms, assign roles, and set a clear timer. This keeps work focused. Record the session and enable live captions so absent or diverse learners can follow along. Make sure to monitor chat and use the raise hand cue to manage questions without interrupting flow. You finish by summarizing key points and posting next steps plus assignment links in the meeting chat. That creates one place students can reference. Once the class ends, upload the recording and return feedback via assignments with explicit due dates and grading rubrics. If someone can't join, first verify the meeting link and attendee permissions, then check their network, advise a reconnect, or provide the phone dial-in option. Finally, follow up with students who missed critical content so learning stays continuous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.